Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, March 25th, 2009. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for maximum potential of 45 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right just above our pivot, 808.25 or so. As you can see, we kind of traded along the pivot, got a little bit of bounce off our moving average, came up to our overnight sessions high denoted by this pink line, traded above it, acted as a little bit of support there, and kind of just chopped around and traded sideways. We came down to our moving average. We actually got a signal to go long, got our first contract target hit. Did not get any follow through the upside. Actually got stopped out, I believe, to the tick on the second contract here before the market really took off. Market made a strong move up. We actually did get a second signal to go long right about here, and that produced both targets 1 and targets 2 for a total of 10 ticks on that particular move. Again, one of those mornings where if you had a runner and was trailing, it paid dividends to you. Traded up over yesterday's highs. Came back down through that. Actually, you can see when we came down through yesterday's highs, it actually acted as an area of resistance, and we pulled back to our moving average line, got a signal to go short. That trade worked for targets 1 and targets 2 for 13 ticks. Again, put in our high right before 1045. We got a signal as we pulled back to this moving average to go long. We got out of our first contract, but no follow through, so we got stopped out of our second, lost 2 ticks on that trade. But on that down move, we were able to get into a trade and was right here, and that trade produced actually a small swing, but nonetheless it produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks to the downside. It was a busy morning. Did not get an up signal right here because of this extension, but on the downside extension we did get a signal to go short off that extension, and that produced again a small swing, targets 1 and 2 for 8 ticks. Got into the dead zone, this red area, lunchtime, where we don't trade. As we came out of lunch, this market was falling hard, back down through our opening price, back through our pivot, back through our close of yesterday, moving down towards our yesterday lows. Got a little bit of a bounce, little front runner at yesterday lows a little bit, got a little bit of a bounce, got above our moving average. On this pullback we actually got a signal to go long, got out of our first target, then this thing just fell hard, and we got stopped out of our second, and the market fell so hard and so fast. Even on our extension moves, we did not have an opportunity to get in on that downside following our rule sets, but as we did find some support down here, we got this move up, and again we got a signal to go long right here on this slight little pullback off this swing, and again got our first contracts off, and that's the beauty of this system. If you just get that first contract off, you're pretty well safe, because this continued to go to the downside, but we only lost 2 ticks on that. And on that reaction move, we pulled back up, and we actually got a signal to go short immediately after our stop out. And that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 14 ticks, and that was basically it for the balance of the day. So again, we had 9 trades for 45 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including the chart setups, and to join the daily free chat room and newsletter, just please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.